Babies are born with 100 billion neurons. But what builds the connections? Because that is what is important. Your baby was born with 100 billion brain cells, about the same as adult. But here's the twist. It's not the number of brain cells that matters. It's the connections between them. And those are built after birth. And they're built by you. How? Right? So every cuddle that you do, every word, every song, every peekaboo, all of it creates synapses, actual physical connections in the brain. In the first 3 years, your baby forms over 1 million new connections per second. So when you think you're just playing, no, you're actually building a brain, one loving moment at a time. You are the architect, the real architect of your baby's intelligence.